So let's talk about the moon Titan. Saturn's largest moon is Titan, and Titan is special because it is the only moon of the 150 moons that we know of that has a significant atmosphere, and mostly nitrogen atmosphere like here on planet Earth, and a human could possibly breathe on Titan. Its thickness and density, the gravity, it's about what similar to the moon, to our moon. So it's about, it's a little light, but it's doable, and you could all you really need is oxygen to breathe. So oxygen and something to protect you from the cold because it's over 290 degrees below Fahrenheit. So, and Titan has a lot of methane and ethane ocean there. It has lakes, rivers, and seas like here on Earth. And some of them are several hundred feet deep. And if you go down below the surface of the land on Titan, there may be even water like on Earth. So Titan would be one of the most hospitable places for humans to exist on because of that dense atmosphere. See, Titan doesn't necessarily have enough geological internal activity and compression or that mixing of electrons to develop its own magnetosphere, but it does reside within the magnetic field of Saturn. So it gets protected so that its atmosphere doesn't get blown off by the solar wind. Because you have to think, well, how the heck does Titan hang on to that atmosphere, being that it's small? Because that how small it is. Because it gets protected by its uh, big brother Saturn. So you don't have to worry about it, the atmosphere going anywhere. So Titan has I talk a lot about atmospheres. I guess that's sort of my thing here. Is atmospheres and maybe geologic processes. So but that was a little bit about Titan.